Alright everybody, and welcome back to HB Channel. In today's episode of Animal Face Off, we have a wolf pack attacking a leopard. But before I continue with the new content, if you like and enjoy my video, you can support me by subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. You will be updated for every new content I will upload in this channel in the future. The snow leopard is a lonely predator. They reaching the shoulder height at 56 cm to 70. They can weigh 22 to 55 kg. Some rare male can grow up to 75 kg. Snow leopard share the territory with the wolves, another predator of East Asia, which operate in the pack. Those two predators share the same territory and they share the same prey. The wolves stay in pack and patrol at night. Himalayan wolves are 70 to 75 cm. They can weigh 35 to 50 kg. Known as the #1 predator of livestock. The leopard is moving fast. The cat is feeling the pressure. A wolf pack with a 6-member has surrounded the cat. The snow leopard is in danger. This wolf pack is getting serious. They have surrounded the big cat in every angle. The wolves are smart. They want to distract the cat. The wolf attack from every angle. The chasing continues in hard rocky terrain. Was the only way for the leopard to protect the back. This wolf pack planning to eliminate the snow leopard. The rival must be eliminated. The winter is the most difficult season for all predators, including the wolf too. And this wolf pack is searching for food. And it looks like a dog battle. The wolves against the livestock guardian dog. The tension is palpable. The wolf attack. The unexpected guests are coming. 2 wolves are visit this livestock guardian dog. This dog almost frozen. Usually the livestock guardian dog overreact when the presence of wolf is near. But this livestock guardian dog is inexperienced. He is young. The bravery and reaction is in positive side of the dog. Anyway, the wolf doesn't take seriously. But this wolf pack with 10 members were facing against Tibetan Mastiff pack near to the village. The tension was palpable. The dogs were concerned. Human presence gave them courage. They stay and didn't back off. Even they know that the wolf outnumber the dogs. But brave dog will do always the job. They will chase the wolf and fend them away. The wolf is faster than Tibetan Mastiff. It is very important how the dog will react when the wolf attack. When the wolf attack and dog run away, the wolf will not stop, and Tibetan Mastiff turn to be the prey. A yak get attacked by a wolf pack. 5 hungry wolves try to take down this yak. A driver was nearby and managed to stop the wolf. Wolves often come and target farm animals. This superior canine crossed the fences like an Olympic athlete. The question is, who gonna stop? Two Tibetan Mastiff detect this wolf and start to chasing away. It is their job to protect the village from the wolf threat and to make sure that everybody is safe. Dog chase the wolf in the long distance and keeping the threat far away from the village. The situation is different when you have to face against a wolf pack. The dog just take a guard position and stay in defensive. Wolf attacking dog happen mostly in the winter season. Villager dog are the first barrier, then the wolf face off. This make them to be a first target for the wolf. The tension is palpable. More dogs are involved in this conflict. Now the wolf pack has to face against dog. The villagers are in alert. They know that something is wrong. Wolves are inside the village, and the man is going after them. The presence of wolf in the settlement is catched by security camera. They come often and visit the settlement to find food or attacking animals. And this wolf pack is here for the same thing. But not all the time they realize the goal. Livestock guardian dog run to catch them. In some cases, wolves like the dog to chasing them. For them, this is the goal, to put the dog in the trap. And they join as a team. This is everything for today. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like and enjoy this content. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and hit that notification bell. And see you in the next content. Have a great day.